A federal Capital Territory High Court yesterday dismissed a suit by a member of the House of Representatives, Oladipupo Adebutu, against the emergence of Senator Buruji Kashamu as the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Ogun State for the March 2 governorship election. In a judgment, Justice Oladipupo held that Adebutu, who was nominated by the National Working Committee (NWC) of PDP for the governorship election, could not maintain his suit against the defendants because the primary election that produced him, Adebutu, was conducted in violation of a subsisting court judgment. Adebutu had, by the suit marked FCT-FT CV 29/2018, challenged the refusal of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to accept his candidacy. Justice Adebutu was of the view that the PDP and NWC acted in bad faith by disregarding a subsisting judgment of a federal high court to produce the candidate. Justice Adebutu said since PDP was a party in the judgment given by Justice Ibrahim Baba of the Federal High Court, the judgment of the court was binding on it and must be obeyed and respected so as to protect the sanctity of court in the interest of the rule of law. The judge noted that it was the parties PDP's NWC that has the power to conduct governorship primary election, but said the NWC, in exercising such power, must not act in violation of any court judgment. Justice Adebutu said the PDP and NWC cannot hold valid primary election without a recourse to the Ogun State chapter of the party or outright approval of the party until the judgment against it by Justice Baba has been set aside by a higher court. The judge held that Adebutu's suit cannot be maintained to declare him a governorship candidate because the PDP and NWC, which conducted the primary election that produced him, acted in violation of a judgment of a federal high court delivered by Justice Baba. Justice Adebutu said she arrived at the conclusion because of the need to ensure the protection of the sanctity of the court and its judgments by parties or individuals. She noted that the PDP did not do well by disobeying the judgment of Justice Baba with the way it conducted its primary election in Ogun State last year. Tags, Adebutu suit court dismiss Kashamu.